meditated deeply in a forest and gained mighty powers. Feeling worried, Lord Indra sent Urvashi to distract him and soon sage Vibhandika had a son named Rishasringa, born with deer horns. Rishasringa grew up to be a powerful sage, isolated from women, until King Romapada begged him to save his kingdom Anga, suffering from severe drought. When Rishasringa arrived in Anga, it rained heavily, saving everyone. Feeling grateful, King Romapada gave his adopted daughter Shanta in marriage to Rishasringa. But guess what? Shanta's biological parents were King Dasharatha and Kausalya. So can you guess how she will be related to Sri Rama? Yes, his sister. Later, King Dasharatha became anxious to have a male heir to Ayodhya. So Rishasringa performed the Putra Kameshi Yajna and Dasharatha was blessed with 4 sons, Rama, Bharata, Lakshmana and Shatrughna, marking the beginning of the holy epic Srimad Ramayana. Now let's all chant together, Jai Shri Ram!
Jai Shri Ram!
We now present a song in praise of Sri Rama. The song is called Rama Janardhana, composed by Sri Muthuswami Dikshita. The ragam is Shankarabharanam, set to Adi Taram.